Bitcoin slips below 70K just to reclaim it. Are we losing momentum or building momentum for a bigger rally? Let's find out. Welcome back to FlexCandle, where we read the candles and flex the moves. Right now it's about 1:11 p.m. Eastern time and the price of Bitcoin is currently at 70,920. We're going to start off the top-down analysis here with the weekly chart. We have a big green engulfing candle here. We do have 4 days and 7 hours before this candle closes. This 21 moving average keeps coming down past all these moving averages. Is currently at 85,991. I still feel like this is far away from the 21 moving average. There's two scenarios that's going to play out. Either we're going to go up towards this 21 moving average and get past 80K, possibly hit 85K or so, or we're going to continue just going sideways here for a couple of weeks. This 21 moving average is going to catch up to price and we're eventually going to roll over, and this head and shoulder is going to start playing out even more. Right now, the probability is that we should possibly be going up just because the RSI is pointing up, the stochastics RSI is pointing up. We're getting a green candle. Let's see what ends up happening. If we head over to the 2-day chart, this is where I have Bitcoin in a bear flag that takes us down to about 43K. Currently, we got out of the bear flag pattern once just to get back in, and right now we're trying to break out once more. The 21 moving average is currently at 69,364 and we're currently above it. This candle does close today in about 6 hours and 45 minutes. It'll be important for us to close above the 21 moving average and then head towards this 50 moving average at 81,355. The only thing is that the stochastics RSI are toppy here. Maybe we could curve back up, make another hump, drag here for a little bit, and that will give us the momentum to continue going up. But if we roll over and start coming down, it looks like this bear flag might play out. We take a look at the daily chart here. If we close green today, this will be the third green day in a row. We are above the 21 moving average. We briefly lost it here. We had tweezer tops, we lost it, but then we created tweezer bottoms, and then we've been up since then. The stochastic started turning back up, which is bullish, and we're above 50 on the RSI. We have the 50 moving average at 72,887 here as resistance. If we could get through that, then we could start heading towards this 80 moving average at 79,622 and this 100 moving average at 81,632. If we could close green here, this will give us a confirmation that this is another candle that we're closing above this bear flag, so that'll be a little bit bullish here for us. We take a look at the 22-hour chart. The stochastics are looking good. It looks like we still have a lot more room to continue going up. On the 8-hour chart, stochastics are toppy, but if we zoom in, I'm starting to see a curve back up here. This could be bullish. On the 4-hour chart, we had tweezer tops here. We fell down, but now we've been able to close a couple of candles here above the 200 moving average, which to me is bullish. It looks like we're curving back up here as well. On the 4-hour chart, we might be making a move going up higher here. I would like to get above this resistance here where we fell down last time at around 74K. That's the major resistance. If we could break through 74K, we might have clear paths to 80K there. We take a look at the 1-hour chart. The stochastics are starting to get a little toppy. We have not lost the 200 moving average though. This could have been a possible head and shoulder pattern, left shoulder head, and this could have been a right shoulder, and we did not dump. So now it looks like we're kind of flagging out here. As long as we can stay above this 200 moving average, we could remain slightly bullish. And on the 15-minute chart, stochastics are in between here. We could either roll over or we could continue to go back up. Same thing, we've been able to hold the 200 and the 21 moving average, which is imperative. Let's see what ends up happening. Kind of looks like we're starting to flag sideways here and possibly make another move up. So right now, guys, we have two things that we have to worry about. We have to break above the resistance of 74K and we have to stay above the support of 70K. If we could do that, I see us going to 80K or higher. If we lose 70K, start closing candles underneath that, then I see us coming back down to test 67, 65K and possibly even lower. All right, guys, so that's the breakdown. If this gave you clarity or a setup to watch, do me a favor, like, drop a comment, subscribe, and if you have a stock or crypto you want me to go over, drop it in the comment section. This is FlexCandle, where we read the candles and flex the moves. Catch you on the next chart.